Today, I'm going to talk about the best DDR5 RAM for gaming PCs. And wait, this is not a sponsored video. So if you're planning to build a new gaming PC or upgrade your current memory, make sure you watch this video until the end, because I've covered almost everything you need to know before buying DDR5 RAM, including memory speed, gaming performance, overclocking support, motherboard compatibility, design, and of course, the price. So in this video, I'll help you figure out which DDR5 RAM actually gives you the best balance of speed, stability, features, and value for your gaming PC. And trust me, your next few minutes won't be wasted. Starting off at number 5 is the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta DDR5 RAM. If you're building a gaming PC and want excellent DDR5 performance without overspending, the T-Force Delta DDR5 is one of the best value options available. It combines excellent gaming performance, reliable stability, and eye-catching RGB lighting, making it a great choice for both first-time builders and enthusiasts. This kit comes with 32 GB of memory in a 2x16 GB configuration, running at 6000 MHz with a low CL30 latency, giving you plenty of bandwidth for modern AAA games, multitasking, streaming, and content creation. Whether you're using an AMD Ryzen or Intel Core processor, it has more than enough speed for demanding workloads. Getting the most out of the memory is also incredibly easy. It supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, so enabling the full rated speed takes just a single click in your motherboard BIOS. TEAMGROUP also includes on-die ECC, reinforced PMIC cooling, and premium ICs to improve stability, reduce power noise, and keep the system running reliably even during long gaming sessions. Visually, the T-Force Delta stands out with its unique stealth aircraft-inspired aluminum heat spreader and impressive 120-degree ultra-wide RGB light bar. The lighting works with major motherboard RGB software, including ASUS AuraSync, MSI Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and ASRock Polychrome Sync, making it easy to match the rest of your setup. The only downside is that the large RGB light bar may interfere with some oversized Air CPU coolers, so it's worth checking your cooler clearance before buying. At around $469, the TEAMGROUP T-Force Delta DDR5 RAM offers an excellent combination of speed, low latency, stability, and RGB styling, making it one of the best DDR5 memory kits for gaming PCs. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net. At number 4 on my list is the Kingston Fury Beast DDR5. It's designed for gamers, creators, and power users who need stable performance, fast speeds, and hassle-free overclocking. This kit includes 32 GB of memory in a 2x16 GB configuration, running at 6000 megatransfers per second with a low CL30 latency, making it a great match for today's Intel and AMD gaming systems. Whether you're playing the latest AAA games, streaming in high quality, or working on demanding creative projects, it delivers fast and consistent performance. Kingston has also packed in several technologies to improve long-term stability. Features like on-die ECC, dual 32-bit subchannels, and an onboard power management IC help maintain reliable operation while improving efficiency during heavy workloads. When it's time to unlock the full performance, simply enable Intel XMP 3.0 or AMD Expo in your BIOS for an easy one-click overclock. The design is another strong point. The low-profile aluminum heat spreader keeps temperatures under control while fitting comfortably under most large CPU air coolers. If you choose the RGB version, Kingston Fury infrared sync technology keeps the lighting perfectly synchronized across all modules, creating a clean and polished look inside your PC. The only downside is that the RGB lighting isn't quite as bright or customizable as some competing premium RGB memory kits, especially if aesthetics are your top priority. At around $499, the Kingston Fury Beast offers an excellent combination of speed, low latency, dependable stability, and broad compatibility, making it one of the safest and most reliable DDR5 RAM kits for gaming PCs in 2026. At the third spot on my list is the Crucial Pro DDR5 RAM. If your main focus is performance rather than flashy RGB lighting, the Crucial Pro DDR5 is one of the smartest choices you can make. It focuses on delivering high-speed, low-latency performance where it matters most, making it an excellent upgrade for modern gaming PCs. This kit includes 32 GB of memory in a 2x16 GB configuration, running at an impressive 6,400 MHz with a low CL32 latency. That extra bandwidth helps improve frame rates, reduce loading times, and keep demanding AAA games, streaming, and heavy multitasking running smoothly. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or working with large creative projects, this memory has plenty of performance to handle it. It also supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, giving you stable, one-click overclocking on the latest Intel Core Ultra and AMD Ryzen platforms. Since it's built with Micron memory chips, you can also expect excellent stability and long-term reliability, even during extended gaming sessions. The design is clean and practical. The rugged black aluminum heat spreader keeps temperatures under control while fitting comfortably in most PC builds, and the low-profile design avoids clearance issues with large CPU coolers. While it skips RGB lighting entirely, that also makes it perfect for gamers who prefer a clean, understated setup. The only downside is exactly that. There's no RGB lighting, so if you're building a showcase PC with synchronized lighting effects, other kits may be more appealing. At around $499, the Crucial Pro DDR5 offers outstanding speed, low latency, excellent compatibility, and proven Micron reliability, making it one of the best high-performance DDR5 memory kits for gamers and creators who care more about performance than flashy lighting. At the second spot on my list is the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM. If you want a memory kit that combines excellent gaming performance with stunning RGB lighting, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 is an easy recommendation. It delivers the speed modern gaming PCs need while adding premium looks and powerful customization features. This kit comes with 32 GB of memory in a 2x16 GB configuration, running at 6,000 MHz with a CL36 latency. That combination provides more than enough bandwidth for modern AAA gaming, content creation, streaming, and heavy multitasking. Games load faster, applications respond quickly, and your system stays smooth even under demanding workloads. One of its biggest strengths is onboard voltage regulation, which allows more stable and precise overclocking directly through CORSAIR iCUE software. It also supports Intel XMP 3.0, letting you enable its rated speed with a single BIOS setting, while advanced users can even create and save custom XMP profiles for different workloads or games. Visually, this memory stands out, with 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs on each module. The panoramic light bar creates vibrant lighting from every angle, and iCUE gives you complete control over colors, effects, and synchronization with other CORSAIR RGB components. An aluminum heat spreader also helps keep temperatures under control during long gaming sessions and overclocking. The only drawback is that this particular kit is optimized primarily for Intel XMP 3.0, so AMD users may find Expo-supported alternatives a bit more convenient. At around $479, the CORSAIR Vengeance RGB DDR5 delivers fast performance, excellent overclocking tools, premium RGB lighting, and the trusted reliability CORSAIR is known for, making it one of the best DDR5 memory kits you can buy for a high-end gaming PC. At the top of my list is the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Royal Neo Series DDR5 RAM. If you're building a no-compromise gaming PC and want one of the fastest premium DDR5 memory kits available, the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Royal Neo deserves the #1 spot. It combines outstanding performance, ultra-low latency, and one of the most luxurious designs you'll find in any memory kit. This kit includes 32 GB of memory in a 2x16 GB configuration, running at 6,000 megatransfers per second with an impressive CL28 latency. That low latency helps reduce memory access times, giving you excellent gaming performance, faster application loading, and smoother multitasking, especially when paired with the latest AMD Ryzen processors. Built specifically for modern AMD platforms, the Trident Z5 Royal Neo supports AMD Expo, allowing you to unlock its full rated speed with a simple BIOS setting. Under the hood, each module is built using hand-screened memory ICs on a custom 10-layer PCB, delivering exceptional signal integrity, stability, and excellent overclocking potential for enthusiasts who want to push their systems even further. The design is equally impressive. A radiant crystalline RGB light bar creates brilliant lighting effects that beautifully diffuse throughout your build, while the CNC-cut electroplated aluminum heat spreaders with a premium mirrored silver finish give the kit a true luxury appearance. RGB lighting can also be synchronized with popular motherboard software like ASUS AuraSync, MSI Mystic Light, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, and ASRock Polychrome Sync for a fully coordinated setup. The only downside is the premium price. At around $799, it's one of the most expensive DDR5 memory kits available, making it better suited for enthusiasts rather than budget-conscious builders. But if you want top-tier DDR5 performance, ultra-low latency, premium build quality, and some of the best-looking RGB lighting available, the G.SKILL Trident Z5 Royal Neo is one of the finest memory kits you can buy in 2026, making it a deserving choice for the #1 spot. Now tell me in the comments, which DDR5 RAM kit would you choose for your gaming PC? I'll reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right DDR5 RAM for gaming. So if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.